Attention locksmithing professionals. Are you ready to level up your business with cutting-edge technology? Join ISM Southeast at Locksmith Keyless for an exclusive ZKTeco USA Product Experience Day on Wednesday, April 9th from 9 to 11 a.m. at 3555 Northwest 79th Ave, Doral, Florida. ZKTeco USA is bringing you the latest in biometric and RFID access control, turnstiles, metal detectors, long-range readers, and more. Get hands-on experience with game-changing security solutions that boost efficiency and profitability. And here's the best part. Learn how to grow your earnings with ZKTeco USA products and you could win $5,000. Mark your calendars now and bring your team because you do not want to miss this exclusive opportunity here at Locksmith Keyless. Give us a call at 305-629-9599 or visit us at locksmithkeyless.com. And make sure to follow and subscribe to Locksmith Keyless on social media for the latest video on deals, unboxing, tutorials. Stay up to date on any news, anything and everything key related by giving us a follow.